From police to labor and homelessness, the city of Minneapolis has had an eventful year.
But some efforts were stalled because of a rift between the mayor and the city council. City leaders say, though, there has been progress. Police recruiting is up drastically. There are strategies and policies in place to help the homeless. And the city says it's now considered a national leader in creating affordable housing.
Renee Cooper sat down with Mayor Jacob Frey today to learn more about those efforts and what's ahead for 2025. Renee.
Oh, Lindsay, today the Minneapolis mayor is summarizing what he sees as progress made in the city in 2024 as this year comes to a close. And he began with affordable housing. Big picture, is there any one thing you can point to in 2024 that you're most proud of as mayor of the city?
One piece that we are being recognized on nationally is our work around housing. We're providing people with that foundational right of housing.
A talking point tracing back to Mayor Jacob Frey's earliest campaign days. Still today, he says getting people into stable housing is among his central strategies, and he's proud of progress in 2024.
We're producing 8.5 times the amount of deeply affordable housing that we were before I took office.
More affordable housing, fewer people who are homeless, the mayor says.
But if we're talking about unsheltered homelessness, specifically homeless encampments, this is a far more complex issue.
And in 2024, the police chief says encampments have been shooting hot spots, with nearly a quarter of incidents in the 3rd precinct within 500 feet of one.
Let's get them the addiction treatment that they need, the wraparound services that they need, the culturally sensitive healing that we should be providing. Let's do all those things. And when that service is rejected, yes, we do need to close homeless encampments.
Another point of progress, police recruitment. Frey says applications to wear the MPD uniform are up 45% from last year.
We've turned a corner.
He acknowledges it will be tougher in 2025, with money for those efforts slashed. Members of the city council's veto-proof progressive majority say it was among many tough decisions ahead of a tough budget year with a rise in the property tax levy.
I made my objections to that budget clear back earlier in December. Now we got to move forward.
Looking to 2025, the mayor says there will be a focus on improving 911 call response and opening a new 3rd police precinct and safety center 5 years after the former building burned.
And we're trying to provide a response not just from police officers in an adequate time frame, in a fast time frame, but also provide a unique skill set that is matched with the unique circumstances on the ground, whether that's a mental health responder or a social worker. We want to get that done in the form of a Southside Safety Center.
Now, 2025 is also expected to be a campaign year for the sitting mayor. Frey is not officially announced, but he confirms he plans to seek re-election. And if so, he faces a run against at least City Council member Emily Koski, as well as State Senator Omar Fateh.